Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be making a creamy, delicious green smoothie using collard greens as its main ingredients. That's right, collard greens. A lot of people I've seen don't really use collard green in their smoothies, but collard green is packed with vitamin A and C, has fiber as well. It's a good vegetable. I like to use different vegetables for my smoothie. I don't eat a lot of vegetable, but I will drink my vegetables. So, but today in this smoothie, I will be using collard greens, 2 oranges, 1 banana, and about a thumb size of ginger. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Lately, I have been doing a lot of juicing and smoothies, trying not to drink so much soda. So I found that this is a better alternative for me, is the juicing and the smoothies. And not only that, it has all of these health benefits with drinking smoothies. So thank you for watching. And this is my first YouTube long form content. So just bear with me. It will get better. But if you have any suggestions and any comments, of course, comment, and let me know what I can do to help better my videos. So thank you for watching, and again, subscribe